How to connect Smart Switch to app. Sign into your account. Tap on Add Device or tap on Plus Sign. Tap on Switch Wi-Fi. Enter your 2.4 grams Wi-Fi name and password. Ensure Wi-Fi signal good. Press the switch for 7 seconds until the red indicator flashing quickly. Waiting till it configures from 100%. You can control switch now. Work with many third-party service Alexa, Google Assistant, IFT. How to set multi-control association. Please wire correctly for 2 switches. Choose multi-control association in app. Add the other switch you want to multi-control the lamp together. Finish, and you can control the same light by different switches, in app and by touch now.